Good morning, everybody. Who's your '1 engine builder? We are Proformance Unlimited. Another one of our beautiful little babies here. Happens to be a little 347 going into a 67 Ford Fairlane. This one is our 4 1/4 edition. Check it out. We exceed each and every package that we put out here. We take great pride when we build these engines. And again, it shows when your engine arrives. They arrive looking gorgeous, they run fabulous, and we're here after the product is sold. If you have any issues or any questions, we're here to make sure everything works out perfectly for you. This way you pass the word on that we are #1. Hey, peace. Check out the video.